Well, come. Get up. Water the plant. Feed the dog. Wake up. Subscribe. Turn off. Take a shower. Get dressed. Comb hair. Make breakfast. Go to school. Do homework. Do the laundry. Hang the clothes. Iron the clothes. Make the bed. Eat breakfast. Have classes. Wait for the bus. Work. Take a break. Get home. Leave school. Have lunch. Take a nap. Drive to work. Take a video call. Talk to friend. Take exercise. Subscribe. Go out with a friend. Take picture. Play the guitar. Fold the laundry. Take a taxi. Paint the picture. Sweep the floor. Rake the leaves. Read the newspaper. Clean the window. Cut the grass. Do the dishes. Turn off the alarm. Put on makeup. Clip nails. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Paint the house. Walk the dog. Play the guitar. Play with friend. Gossip. Take a nap. Have a snack. Do homework. Take out the garbage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.